Well, sandblasting is complete. The guys just left here a few minutes ago. We're gonna primer it right away and work on getting it back in the shop and see what we have. These guys did a super job. Came in, masked off everything that couldn't be touched. Tank, fenders, wheels, grill. And now we're going to give her some primer. As you see on this fender, quite a bit of rust. The other one has just a little spot. But overall, the other one's in good shape. I might either try to cut and patch or see if I can find another fender. Everything else came up actually quite well. The wheels had a few holes that showed up after sandblasting. So I may have to find another rim. The other one's actually quite solid, but this one here is not great. So I may have to try to find another wheel. Got the tractor back inside, sandblasted everything as far as the large parts go. I'll do a little walk around so you can see what I've done. Have it primered now as well. I've got some body work to do on the hood and on the grill. Overall though, it came out really nice. I was very happy. The guys did a great job, super friendly, not very expensive actually, considering how long it took them to do everything. But I'm pleased. This is going to be so cool. But let me just show you the parts, and I'll show you what I've done, and you can see for yourself. So it definitely shows up now after all the paint is stripped. The grill has, I have a little body work to do. I can do a lot of hammering and straighten that out. Some of the small pieces you can see. Little wrinkles here and there. That was actually bent quite badly. I still need to do a little bit more on it. But the one fender, I think I showed already. That one there. I'm gonna need to cut that out and do some serious welding and repair. See if I can get that back to perfect. So that's my tractor. While everything was all taped up after sandblasting, we did a quick coat of primer, and I'll do a little bit more repair. I got some stuff that I gotta fix yet. After, I will give it another coat of like a building primer. And see if we can get a lot of this smoothed out. I've got, the wheels are rough. The one is actually not bad, but the other side, I just put them on the wide side. But the other one, I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it this way. No, it's on the inside. But yeah, it's going to be so much fun. Hopefully the next few weeks I'll have it painted. And I'll try to continue posting videos, so tag along and see how it goes. Thanks for joining me.